Hello everyone, I'm Ivan Christian Comanda. I'm here to report data streaming tools. So let's go to our topic, data streaming tools. Data streaming refers to the continuous real-time processing of information as it flows, which contrasts with traditional batch processing methods. Key elements. The fundamental aspects include the ability to ingest, process, and analyze the data, instantly providing immediate insights. Application areas. Data streaming is cornerstone for domains such as finance, e-commerce, healthcare, and IoT, where real-time decisions are critical. So, karong panahon na padadyon ang paglambo sa teknolohiya ug daghan kaayong data nga gihimo kada adlaw. Tungod ani, kinahanglan ang mga sistema nga maka-proseso sa data fast ug effective. Ang data streaming mao ang solusyon kay kani ang pagproseso sa data sa real time. Dili parehas sa tradisyonal nga paagi nga hulaton pa makompleto ang data. Pamaagi kini sa mas daliang pag-analyze ug pag-respond nga importante kaayo ang sitwasyon sama sa pag-detect sa fraud, live monitoring ug real-time nga updates. So, what is data streaming? Data streaming ensures data in process as it is generated, avoiding delays caused by storage or queuing. This method provides up to the moment information, enabling real-time actions and insights. Continuous data support dynamic and fast-changing applications like live analytics. Ang data streaming nagpasabot sa pagpadadyon sa flow sa data o gikan sa lain-laing sources padong sa usa ka sistema ug asa na proseso dadyon imbis nga i-store ang ang data ug i-analyze unya ang streaming systems nagtrabaho sa data nga dihang nadawat na ni Jani. Aron mas masabtan, maghimo tag example or ikumpara nato sa pagtan-aw og live video. Dili ka maghuwat nga mahuman og download ang tibuok video. So, imong tan-awon ni samtang nag-play pa da mao jud na ang paagi sa pagtrabaho sa data streaming. So, importance of data streaming. First, immediate insights for business. Data streaming allows companies to process and analyze information as it arrives, enabling real-time insights and actions. Second, improve operational efficiency. Real-time data analytics helps organizations identify trends and patterns quickly, improving decisions making and operational efficiencies. Third is enhanced user experience, providing personalized instant recommendation and responses enhance user satisfaction and dynamic application like a e-commerce and streaming service. Ang data streaming importante kay dali ra kaayo mo proseso sa data ug real time ang resulta. Pananglitan ang bangko magbantay dayon og kahinahinalang transaksyon. So, makatabang usab kini sa apps sama sa chat ug online games aron dili mo hinay tungod ani mas dali maka-respond ang negosyo ug mas mo success. So, next is popular tools for data streaming. There are 5 tools nga gibutang namo diri sa report pero duha ra akong ma ma-explain. Kay sa sunod sila sa nasunod. First is Kafka, Apache Kafka. Apache Kafka is designed for handling large-scale real-time data, delivering exceptional performance under high throughput demands. Ang Apache Kafka kay usa ni siya ka tool nga gamiton sa paghandle og daghang data. Kasaligan kini og kaya niya ang dagko nga sistema mao nang daghang dagko nga kompanya ang mogamit ani. So next is Apache Flink. Apache Flink is designed to handle large-scale data pipelines and efficiently while recovering seamless from failures. Flink integrates well with various big data and cloud platforms, expanding its applicability in diverse industries. Ang Apache Flink kay usa ka tool para sa real-time data processing na paspas ni og kaya niya ang mag-handle og complicated data operation. So, mao na. And that's my part of my report.
Hi everyone, I am Kezia Blanche de Lastimosa. I am continue to discuss the popular tools for data streaming. So, the third one is the Apache Spark Streaming. So, there are three things about Apache Spark Streaming. Number one is the microbatch processing, so which is operates by dividing live data streams into small batches which are then processed sequentially to simulate real-time analytics. And the second one is the easy integration. It seamlessly integrates with other Apache tools and technologies such as Hadoop, Spark Core, and MLlib, enhancing its versatility. And the third one is the big data support, which is specifically designed to handle massive data sets and works effectively with distributed systems to process data efficiency. So the Apache Spark Streaming processes continuous incoming data by dividing it into small batches for easier and faster analysis, so making it appear like real-time processing. So it is designed to handle large scales data efficiently using distributed system. So it also integrates well with tools such as Apache Hadoop and other Apache technologies, making it flexible and powerful for big data applications. Next is the RabbitMQ. So naitulo ka kuan sa RabbitMQ mo ni ang message broker simplicity and reliability through message durability, and then support for multiple messaging patterns. So kaning message broker simplicity is a lightweight and easy to deploy message broker, making it well suited for straightforward use cases and small to medium sized system. So the second is the reliability through message durability. And then ensure messages delivery through mechanism like acknowledgements and message persistence, which increase dependability and prevent data loss. And then support for multiple messaging patterns enables communication architectures like point-to-point, publish or subscribe, then request, reply, offering flexibility to developers. So the RabbitMQ is a messaging system that allows different applications to communicate by sending and receiving messages reliably. It is simple to set up and is often used for small to medium systems. So it makes sure messages are not lost by using features like acknowledgements and saving messages to storage. And then it also supports different messaging styles like one-to-one communication, broadcasting, and request response, making it flexible for developers. And then the cloud tools. Ang cloud tools mao ni ang Amazon Kinesis, scalability and efficiency. So the Amazon Kinesis supports ingresting vast amounts of real-time and data enables efficient scaling. It is managed by AWS, so offering high availability and reduced operational complexity. So, kaning the cloud tools is a cloud-based service that helps gather and process streaming data in real time. So it can handle very large amount of data and automatically scales depending on demand. So since it is fully managed by Amazon Web Service, users don't need to worry much about infrastructure or maintenance. So this makes it is a convenient and efficient tool for real-time data processing. And then so we deep discussion of streaming tools. Okay, the deep dive Apache Kafka. Number 1 is the producer topic consumer architecture. So the Apache Kafka operates via highly efficient system where producers send data to topics and consumers retrieve this data, so enabling seamless communication and data flow. Second is distributed nature. Kafka leverages a distributed architectures, spreading the across multiple nodes, ensuring high availability and scalable performance for large-scale application. And the third is the fault tolerance. So it includes built-in mechanism for fault tolerance, providing data replication across nodes to maintain consistency and reliability during hardware failures or interruptions. So meaning is Apache Kafka is a system where producers send data to topics and consumer read the data, so allowing smooth data flow between applications. So it uses a distributed architectures that spread data across multiple nodes, making it highly scalable and suitable for a large system. So it also provides a fault tolerance by replacing data across nodes, so information is not lost even if some hardware fails. And then the node is the Kafka pros and cons. So scalability na murag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lima ka things sud sa Kafka pros and cons. So number 1 is scalability. So scalability, Kafka achieves horizontal scalability by leveraging partitioning across multiple brokers, making it deal for handling large data volumes. So the second is high performance. So Kafka processes and transmits messaging with impressive speed, ensuring low latency data streaming for real-time application. The third one is the complex setup. So complex setup is a deposit. Despite its power, Kafka's installation, configuration, and maintenance can be challenging, requiring significant expertise and infrastructure management. And the fourth one is operational overhead. So managing additional Kafka components like Zookeeper and dealing with a distributed architecture adds complexity for operation teams. And the last is initial learning curve. Beginners may find Kafka intimidating due to unique architecture and terminology, requiring time and training to master. So, ang Apache Kafka is a highly scalable because it uses partitioning across multiple brokers and allowing to handle large amounts of data efficiently. So it is also very fast and support low latency real-time data streaming. However, it can be difficult to install, configure, and maintain, so especially for beginners. So its distributed setup and extra components like Zookeeper then add operational complexity, then making it more challenging to manage. Then Apache Flink, deep dive Apache Flink. So through real-time processing, event-based system, stateful processing. So through real-time is it processes data events as they come in without waiting for batch completion, enabling high accurate and instantaneous analytics. Then event-based system, Flink employs an event-driven architecture, allowing it to handle and react to events dynamically, which is essential for system requiring immediate responses. Then advanced state management in Flink ensures consistency and fault tolerance, making it suitable for application like fraud detection or operational monitoring. So, pasabot ani is a real-time data processing systems that analyze events as they arrive instead of waiting for batches. So it uses an event-driven approach, allowing it to quickly react to incoming data, which is useful for time-sensitive applications. So it also has strong state management features that keep data consistent and recoverable even after failures. And then sa Flink pros and cons. Very fast, accurate, steep learning curve. As you can see, no, the Apache Flink is a powerful for real-time data processing because it delivers fast results for time-sensitive applications. So it events-driven and stateful design helps it manage complex data stream accurately and reliable. So however, it has complex architecture that can be difficult to learn and requires considerable expertise to use effectively, especially for beginners. So, mo ni ang example sa demo sa data streaming tools. So, the demo, mo ni ang demo. And thank you.